I've got my Ipsy Drop Shop order. So if you want to see what I ordered and what kind of crazy prices I got, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me. You may catch a glimpse of him. But Chloe is at a friend's because I'm filming on Memorial Day and her friend was having a little get together. So she wanted to go. We weren't doing much over here. So I said, go for it. Quarterly, Ipsy has their drop shop or mega drop shop, I will say, because you can always shop on their site, but quarterly they do a mega drop shop where they lower the prices even more. Sometimes it's by $1 or $2, which can add up in the end. All right, so what did I get? The first thing I got is by JVN Hair, and this is their Trusted Trio Travel Essentials. This was $18, but you are getting 3 travel essentials in here. You're getting the treatment. This is the scalp treatment with rosemary extract, the Protect, which is their like a leave-in cream, so this is going to be like your heat protectant, and then your Style, which is the, says enhance your hair's natural texture for effortless styling, 24 hours frizz control. So, oh, air dry cream, that's what that is. Instant recovery serum, and then the scalp, pre-wash scalp oil. So this is the size of that heat protectant. And this is the air dry cream. That's a great size. And then look, I mean, this looks full size right here. I mean, maybe there's a larger size to this, but gosh, this is 50 milliliters, 1.7 fluid ounces. And they're calling that a travel size. This, I would definitely say travel size. But the other two, I mean, that's a good size for what it is. So for 18 bucks, I thought, you know, give it a try, see if I like the line. Then for $8, I got this Dry Bar Moneymaker Flexible Hold Hairspray. So this is another travel size at 50 grams or 1.8 ounces. And I like to have little sprays like this. We don't travel a lot, but I like to bring them to work. My hair gets flat real quick. Next, from R & Co., this is the Dallas Biotin Thickening Treatment. So anytime something says it's got biotin or thickening treatment, I'm a sucker for it. And you're going to leave it on for 5 minutes and then rinse. So finish up your shower, rinse it out at the end. And I paid $12 for this. All right, I was most excited to snag this because I've been looking at this in the store. This is that Beekman 1802 Honey and Orange Blossom Milkshake. They have a couple of different scents. This was the only scent that was still available. So it is a biphase. You want to shake it up. You can see it's still moving about. Ooh. Oh, it's very light, but delicious. And this is $16 value, full size. Next, by Ilia, I got the True Skin Serum Foundation because, you know, I love a serum or a tinted moisturizer instead of a full coverage. And this was a $20 value, which was a great deal. And it's a pump, but I don't want to pump it yet. So I just put a little bit on. All right, I think it blends in really nicely. Gives like a light little bronze to my skin tone. So I think that's going to be a perfect summer color. So I'm almost done with my Jones Road What the Foundation. And that's a little bit lighter, so this will work out perfectly. All right, next from Grande Cosmetics is the Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. And this is in Pale Rose. And this was $9. And we're just gonna... And I would have to rub that in because, ooh, I can smell what makes it plump. Because it's a more bubblegum pink. I thought it would be a pale pink, but if I rub it in, it'll be fine. From Kosas, I got their Wet Stick Lip Shine in Heat Wave. Love Kosas, cruelty-free. I try to select only cruelty-free brands. This is a great small company. Love that. That's perfect. From Danessa Myricks is the Twin Flames liquid eyeshadow in Bay. It was the only color left. Oh, I can definitely see the flip to purple. And green, there's green in there too. Oh, so pretty. And then from Dibs is their Good Life Gold Status Stick. So this is a face and body highlighter. Now, I could have gotten this for $13 from FabFitFun, but I had already spent too much. So I got it from here, $15.99. Still not a bad price. Rub that in. So you could just kind of like, you know, particularly if you're wearing an off-the-shoulder shirt like this, throw some of that on, rub it in. Love the Dibs products. So next, they had a deal if you bought both their current large and small mystery bags. You got the 2 for $38 versus $32 for the large one and $16 for the small one. So that's what I did. And I'm going to do those in another video for you. So check that one out, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.